Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to see how to make chaat chutney recipes. Green chutney and sweet chutney is common for many chaat recipes. So let's see how to make them. Take handful of coriander leaves in mixie jar. With this, add handful of mint leaves, 4 garlic cloves, half-inch sized ginger, half green chili, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of sugar. Grind it nicely. Now for the sweet chutney, take a gooseberry sized tamarind. With this, add 10 to 15 pitted dried dates and soak it in water around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, squeeze them and extract the juice. Filter this and throw away the remainings. Add 3 tablespoons of jaggery, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, heat this, then add quarter teaspoon of salt and mix it. Now add quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds powder and mix it. Let it boil for some time and it becomes thicker. Now you can turn off the flame. Now the green chutney and sweet chutney is ready. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.